How do dinosaurs play with their friends? By Jane Yolen and Mark Teague. What if a dinosaur's friends come to play? Does he mob? Does he pout if he can't get his way? Does he hide all his dump trucks, refusing to share? Does he throw his friends' coloring books in the air? Does he hog all the swings and the sandbox and slides? Does he not give his friends any tricycle rides? No, a dinosaur doesn't. He knows how to play. He treats everyone in the friendliest way. He shares all his toys and gives turns on his bike. His friends get first choice for the games that they like. He listens, then asks, "Would you like one turn more?" Good friend, little dinosaur.